Hi, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and today what we fixed is the rear defroster on an 06 Mustang convertible. That tab had broken off on both sides. You can see the spot where it used to be glued on, and I've now glued it on to a clear spot where there's no worn contact. But the problem was on the other side, I couldn't find the tab, so I had to make one. I used copper. I actually used a piece of copper pipe and bent it to the right shape, trimmed it with a Dremel to the right size, and I followed the directions in my Permatex rear window defogger repair kit. Part number 09227 if you want to get the same kit. This kit also comes with a little bottle of glue to do like they're doing in this diagram, repair the lines if the lines are damaged. And it even comes with a little brush to apply it with. But my lines are actually, I don't know if the camera can even pick them up, but my lines are okay. It's just the tabs had come off at the end. So now by following the instructions, I've glued this on, and you have to wait at least 24 hours for it to cure. You want it to be at least 50 Fahrenheit. It's only like 40 Fahrenheit, so I might let it go 2 days before I try plugging that in and turning it on. But when you glue the tabs on, you don't want to have the wires connected, because you want to not have the extra weight of that wire. No, it doesn't seem like much, but it is when it's got to hold the glue to glass. Okay, so you need to let that glue hold that tab onto the glass, and then you can connect the wire a day or two later after it's been dried really well and cured. Okay, then once that's connected, you can turn it on and try it. I'm going to try to make one of these connectors out of a piece of copper. This should be a fun project. Okay, what I have to do here is cut this notch. I'll cut a notch in this. That was easy. Now, you want to split this open. So I want to bend this so that it's flat. I'm going to have to use pliers or something to pull that out. I don't want to get it flat. Okay, so now I've got that. The closer I can get it to perfect, the better. I have to do a little bit more bending and prying to get that to exactly where I need it. I'll work on that. now it's a little wider than I needed up here. This isn't as easy as I make it look. So now what I'm doing is following these instructions. Here is my tab that I made. The end's nice and cleaned up to apply the adhesive to. I've applied the alcohol wipe to the window to clean that. I'm letting that dry. Then the next step is to apply this activator, which is a kind of a cloth that's in here. And then I let that sit for 2 minutes, and then I put this glue onto the tabs here and here, and then hold it to the glass for a minute, and then hopefully it'll stay. Then I let it sit for 24 hours. I'll probably let it sit longer than that, and then I can plug the wire in. What most people make a mistake at is they try to put the wire on and then glue it to the window. That puts too much weight against that, so it can't hold. So put that on without the wire and then plug it in afterwards. It should stick just fine. You don't want to put it, you see where the old one was, you don't want to put it back in the same spot. You want to put it in another spot on that grid. So that's what I did on both sides. Make sure there's some good material behind it, make that coating.